Welcome all of my friends. I am Mohammad Samrat Mia, C# novice programmer. Now I'm going to learn you how can we join between our sum of table. So it is very important to know that process because it's a very important issue for joining. There is many type of joining. Is a left join, right join, full join, simple join. I usually works with simple join. The simple join and the left join is similar. So I'm now going to you, before I will show you that how can we use a simple join in our program C#. I want to discuss about inner join. It's very easy between inner join or simple join, so you can easily exercise the simple join. So I'm now going to tell you how can we create inner join and how can we get the join between two different tables from our database SQL server, and how and what's the process we use it. So hello my friends, now I'm going to insert my program. Yes, where is my database SQL server? So this database is a very novel database because we have already discussed our 10 tutorial, the same database, the same table, same server. So this is our contact info, item info and login. I have created already a category info table. It's a new table. I created it before I acted this video, and I have already created a store procedure. You know the process. How can we create a store procedure? This is one of my store procedure, inner join. I have already created it. So actually I want to show in my from Visual Studio that I have item info and contact info, but I want to see a special field that is included in my this new category info table. Here, okay. Okay. Yes, this is our Visual Studio, our project. So this form is very notable for us because already we are talked about this form, because before when we try to solve our problem in tutorial 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, that time we are worked in this form. So this form I just use my inner join formula in this form. How can I use this formula in my form? For this, here is one of my important tools, name of data grid, and I just add here ID, item name and category name, just 3 columns, and I want to watch item info's ID, item info's item name and this category name, which is the last column in my data grid, this category name will become from category info table. So I need to apply this inner join formula for what this information in my data grid view. For this, I just need to double click my form. Yes, in my root, or main method, I just need to go to definition. Yes, I have already generated this code. I just explain you. Here in this inner join test, this is my step procedure name. This is inner join. I just declare that inner join, and I just want 3 columns. One is ID, second is item info, and third is category name. So I don't need to show all of information from my item info. I don't need to watch all of information from my category info. So I just ignore those field information. So I just declare here false. Data grid view dot auto generate columns equal false, and those informations come from my database. So I just declare data grid view 1 dot data source equal dt. So when I run this form, that time I can able to watch my information by processing with my step procedure, whose name is inner join test. It needs a few seconds to open. Here in our inner join test, our inner join formula, I just use a condition when item info's ID and my category info's CID will be equal. When item info ID, for example, 1, and my category info's C's ID will also be 1, that time I will be able to watch all kind of information what I want. I just want 7 IDs information, which is included my item info and my category info table. Actually, you will be confused one of the method, that is I just want to tell you. Here my item info has a field name of category name. I just ignore it because I don't want to watch this information. This category name is where is my 7 ID? Yes, this category name is blah blah. But I don't want this information. I just want my category info. This is another tables information. Category information. Category info's category name. This is here. Yes, this is my category info, and here is also a field name is category info. I just want this field, and it has ID its name ID nong is 7, and my item info has also 7 ID. When item info's ID, I mean 7, and categories info's ID 7 will be matched, that time I can able to watch this item name, I mean Blue Blazer, this ID. It also becomes from item info in this table 7, but I also need to watch a category name, but this category blazer I don't need that. I want just watch category info category name, and I apply inner join formula between this table, those table, I mean item info and category info. I'm not going to open my inner join. Yes, where item ID and category ID will be matched, I mean 7, that time I can able to show all of my information and my wanted field information. My wanted field is this formula I have already declared category name, so I will be able to watch categories name from this table. My category name is K. Okay, here is my form. I just insert my password. Now I will bring inside my project. Yes. Here is my information. This 7 and Blue Blazer, this two information is now come from in this data view from item info table, but this K is come from category info table. So this is our view. If I want to show any kind of field, a different table, but I need information, both of information, and those information is base of different more than one table. So that time I can use this formula. Thank you very much, all of my friends. I think that all of you will have a better view, better concept from this act. Thank you very much. Okay, have a nice day and be ready for our next tutorial. Thank you very much.